Hey guys, how y'all doing? Today I'm harvesting some of my corn, and I just want to show you, some of the corn that I'm been harvesting right now. I mean, they're good sizes already compared to, the corn is about 4 feet and a half more or less. So, for the size of a corn, and it's giving pretty decent sized corn. So, I mean, I'm happy with the result. It's we're gonna have this is a small one, so I'll leave that one there. So yeah, we're gonna have some corn for a while. So yeah, this is this was my first time planting corn, so it's a good learning experience. Next time I'll add more nitrogen, that way they can grow bigger. So for the first time that I planted corn, I'm happy with the results. They're at least decent size. So so let's see how many I get. Oh, this one's still, I believe that's the only one that's still growing, so I'll just let those grow. I was just gonna get the plants, the corns out of here, but I guess I would just, whenever I get everything, I'll probably just let this one grow. And I have a leak somewhere there on my drip irrigation, so I'll just turn off this side here. All right. So basically what I did here, I made plots of 16 by 16. I put 4 in a block, and then I gave them more, I guess, some spacing here, that way I can walk in between. So I have room to reach 2 rows, then go to the other side, and then reach the other 2 rows, and then start from the other one. So they have enough room so they can self-pollinate each other. So yeah, I'm happy with the result. They grew pretty good without me adding any type of nitrogen. The only thing I added was compost, and that's it. But yeah, next time I'll do this, I'll probably do the same procedure, and I'm just gonna add something to it, some type of nitrogen or something. But other than that, I'm happy. I didn't even I had minimal insect damage. As you can see, everything looks pretty good. I still need to check some of the corn. I'm pretty sure, because I had already harvested 12 of them, and they were all good. I had no corn, no caterpillars in there or any other insects. So I'm pretty sure these should be nice and healthy too. No pest in them. But I'm still gonna check whenever I do open them. Okay, so going to the next row. Yeah, this is a small one, but it'll still work. Oh yeah, this is a good size one. Yeah. You see the difference? Look at that difference. But since you already see the little hairs on top, it's already dried up, so it's not gonna grow no more, so might as well get it. Open it up, see how it is. If it's not good, we'll do something to it. Give it to the chickens, give it to the birds, compost bin or whatever. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, I mean, I still have a good harvest anyways. Yeah, so these plants here are giving me like at least 2 per plant, so they're still good, decent size anyway. The reason this piece of metal here is that I'm not sure what this plant, corn, something, either the wind brought it down or birds. So what I did, I just put this here just to hold it, and then I guess the roots got to the point that it can withstand its weight or itself. So then it stayed up. So if I would have left it there, I wouldn't have had this good sized corn. Let's check it out. See, still good sized corn. So I'm like, well, let me put something in there. I found this. It looks like the blade for the lawnmowers. I found this whenever I was tilling this area here. All this area, I mean, has a lot of trash under there. So you see, look at that. Look at all that glass. So whenever it rains, all the glass starts showing. So I still need so whenever it rains, I still have to clean this. So it's a work in progress. So it's giving me vegetables, and at the same time I'm cleaning the area. So look at my cantaloupes, doing pretty good. Oh, this one's starting to split. But look at this, very good size. my star fruit, carambola if I'm not mistaken. So a little baby one. There we go. Alright, so this will be the last corn here. And I'm gonna get the container here and start putting the corn over here. I'm not sure how many corn we have here, but you know, I'm pretty sure to have it's gonna be at least close to 100. Of course, there's a lot of them. A lot of them that are small. I'm still gonna check those if those are any good. But for planting these for the first time, not knowing the correct process, I think I did pretty good. So this is my harvest. I'm still gonna harvest some of the zucchini squash. Got several already. And look at this one. After that, I'm gonna start harvesting my butterhead lettuce. That's already ready. Some of them are already starting to wanna start bolting, so it's the perfect time to. That's a perfect time to get them out already. I got more cantaloupes here, and my tomatoes are wild. I hadn't had a chance to train them up the stake. They're already starting to bush up, so that's gonna be my next project. I'm gonna do some heavy pruning, try to stake it, guide them. They're indeterminate tomatoes, so if I see them, I'm gonna do too much pruning, I'll just leave them as bushes. You know, so I'll probably do some more, put more stakes going across like an X, and just train them as much as I can up. And well, that's the end of my video, guys. Thanks for watching.